gathered their hopes in the cool morning air, leaving the fields they once tended with care. Dust on their boots, dreams burning bright, chasing a promise just out of sight. The road was long and the stories were bold, hearts pulled forward by whispers of gold, trading the comfort they once called home for mountains unknown where fortune roams. Some found riches, some found pain, some returned home, some never came, but all were changed by the journey's fire, led by longing and quiet desire.